What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man. Back with a POV drive, as y'all can see. As y'all can see, man. This road I'm going down wet because it was raining earlier, but the other road I was just on wasn't wet, but now I came that way. So, okay then. Excuse me. I don't know if y'all heard that pop. But yeah, man, we're doing a nice little POV drive, man. It was wet, but it ain't wet no more. But we in sport mode with it for the first time, and we on that, you know what I'm saying? We on that popcorn, you know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But boy, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, but I just figured something out. I ain't been on this setup in so long, bro. I don't know if it's because of the intake or what, but bro, I can hear my whine on the downshift now from like 4th to 3rd, bro. Cause usually I can only hear from 3rd to 2nd, but now I can hear from 4th to 3rd. But I gotta be in a certain RPM. Like, what is it? I'm gonna show y'all, boy. That jump crazy. Just listen. Hopefully y'all can hear it. Oh, I thought that was the police. Hey, he look like the police. Is it the police? Y'all let me know that's the police. Yeah, that's the police. That nigga got a whole number. He got a whole number on his front bumper. Yeah, we got the sunroof. You know, we got the sunroof all the way open for the first time. Y'all listen though. One more. Ooh. Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't drove on this setup in so long, especially not in sport. So I ain't gonna even speak too much, bro, but hopefully I think they did what I think they did. Hey, that's what it is, bro. But see, it don't do it in custom. So that's what I think it is, bro. I be driving in custom a lot. So I guess that's what it is. I guess it gotta be in sport. But I ain't gonna lie. I think for sure, though, that leg maker definitely got a lot to play in that, bro. Like, oh man, buddy, boy, I messed up, boy. That's all I needed. But I'm being sport mode every time I drive this car now. Oh, I ain't gonna have no gas. Cuz, just listen. Hopefully y'all can hear it. Cuz, I don't know if y'all even heard that, but gang, y'all don't know how long I've been trying to get this car to do that, bro. Car and crew, man. This is like a real raw like reaction, bro. Cause I just figured this out like right now today, before I started recording. I was gonna record anyway, but I was just like, man, I don't know. I feel like being in sport mode today. Cuz, we got the downshift, cuz. Slow your roll, baby. That's why I say it's a little wet. And traction is on. Traction is on, brother. Oh, they flashing their lights. Are they flashing their lights? They like just, I don't know. You need to get that checked out, eh? I hope y'all hear that downshift, bro. That jump sound, bro. I never had that from 4th to 3rd, never. 3rd to 2nd, it come like that. You know what I'm saying? That you gonna hear, but it wasn't even, not even that loud. And the exhaust, bro. But that gotta be in a certain RPM. I been wanting to get it to do it from 5th to 4th. Now once I figure that out, oh, it's over with. That whine crazy. Oh, see, it'll do it. Okay. Stick 'em. Damn. Did y'all see that? Or see like the camera? That's crazy. Let me chill out. But yeah, man. That's crazy. Man, it ain't only been 4 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, Car Crew. I'm probably gonna shorten up some of my videos for the time being, bro. Just to keep it kind of like, you know what I'm saying? The most entertaining part. You feel me? The source of the video. Like, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all boy to, you know what I'm saying, watch the full video. You feel me? You know what I'm Especially the real car crew. Oh, why you jumped in front of me? Oh. See, the car shit smooth when you hit the gas a little bit. That nigga looking like. But see, if I hit the pedal, if I push the pedal down a little further and upshift, you know what I'm saying? It don't shift so hard like it do when I be like cruising or like slightly increasing just to make it whine. And that's just with the sunroof open, bro. These one of those are closed. You feel me? Give me another one. Good nigga. I'm not downshifting the first though. I don't do that no more. I did it in Olivia because you know the 2020 different. But gang, I'm not doing it now. Man. Look at my tires just picking up all kind of rock, man. Nigga ain't did nothing but drive. My tires sticky than a motherfucker. Man. Oh. Yeah, cuz. Yeah, man, it's gonna be a short little video, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna let y'all boy, you feel me? Join the, show y'all boys. So my bad, I was looking at my surroundings, but just wanted to give y'all boys a little 1-2, man. But y'all see though, we done discovered something though, yeah. We done discovered something, man. So, with that being said, yeah, they're gonna wrap up today's video. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? And also, yeah, man, I don't really got too much else to say, man. Y'all boy just comment down below what kind of videos y'all would like to see, man. Versus POVs, mod videos, like, you know what I'm saying? Like more, I don't know, like me getting more, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say in tune with y'all, boy, but, you know, a little more personal. Like, not personal in that kind of way, but just like, you know, just, you feel me? Different type of video, not just always have to be POV, which I do like POV. This channel pretty much done evolved from POV. So there's no issue with that. I'm always gonna do car-related stuff, that's what I'm saying. But y'all boy just let me know, cause it may be a new wave I can get on that y'all boy may rock with. We can go somewhere with it, you know what I'm saying? And make it something bigger, you feel me? Still trying to get to 20K, y'all boy. We at 17K. I appreciate y'all, boy, man. If you're still watching this far, I appreciate every last one of y'all that helped me get to 17,000 subscribers, bro. I'm trying to get to 20,000, bro. Once we break 20,000 car count, I'm telling y'all, boy, just watch. Just watch it, bro. I'm telling you, you're going to be 20 and 25 just like that. I'm telling y'all, boy. Y'all already know how that YouTube junk go, man. Especially when you just stay consistent with it, bro. But y'all, boy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, boy, you feel me, man? Help a brother out. I am. But anyway though, man, like how I say in all the end of my videos, man, for my religious folk, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy keep God first, keep him in the midst and everything that you do, man. Continue to ask for repentance, you know what I'm saying? Even though when you kind of do something that keeps occurring, but keep trying to do better. Slow it down, you know what I'm saying? Minimize it, you feel me? Until it's completely gone. You know what I'm saying? I know some stuff harder than others, but that don't mean give up. That's what I'm saying. Keep the faith, bro. Have that faith, have that hope. You know what I'm saying? That you will be better, you will do better. You know what I'm saying? Just keep him first in everything that you do, man. Without him, you're nothing. You know what I'm saying? And I'm talking to my religious folks, so the ones that not religious, y'all boy don't, you feel me? Get in the comments, I'm saying whatever, if you even made it this far. But if you made it this far, comment SRT with no content. Just put SRT if you made it this far. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man. Like I also say, man, at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.